Alright, I'm just going to quickly go over the process of importing a new game into the Scorpion editor. So this feature was in the older versions of the Scorpion editor, but now it's just been added to the new Unity build as well. So the first thing we need to do is we just need to click here. This just gives us a little bit of a warning about some of the issues that we might have. Right, so next we need to select our project from our bb/projects folder. So I've got this game here, Nutmeg by Czeslaw Mnich. I will put the download link for that in the description, and that's what we're going to use to test our import. Okay, now we just need to save it somewhere, so I'll save it into my empty test folder. Right, so that's basically all done. I'm going to make a slight tweak to one of the objects. So if I go down to the player W00 object, that is our main object. You can see straight away there's an issue where it's not properly aligned with the tile. So I'll put it there. So because if I left it where it was, then it's not going to spawn in exactly the right place. The other problem is our collision box isn't quite right, but it's fairly easy to fix. We just need to drag that like that, and we're done. So I'm just going to give that a quick run. Right, so that seems to work just fine. Just in conclusion, one quick note is that if you're thinking about creating your game with Backbone first and then later importing it into Scorpion, you can do it that way. I wouldn't recommend doing it that way because when you import it into Scorpion, there's a lot of fixes you've got to do anyway. So this is best used for games that you've already made in Backbone and you want to get them running at 50 frames a second, things like that. But otherwise, my recommendation would be if you're making a new game, then it would be best to create everything in Scorpion from scratch.